Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel and another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix TikTok direct message option not showing on your device. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open App Store. Now from here guys, simply tap on search and search for the TikTok app, and after that open the app and you have to make sure that there is no update on your app. If there have any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then simply close this page. Now again open TikTok, tap on your profile and tap on here three lines, tap on setting and privacy. From here guys, scroll it down and after that tap on here report a problem. So guys, simply tap on it, and from here guys you can see here many options. So guys, simply tap on here account and profile and tap on editing profile. So guys, simply tap on it, and from here guys simply tap on the other. So guys, from here simply tap on no, and after that simply tap on need more help. From here guys you can write down your problem here that you are unable to direct message on TikTok. So guys, simply describe your problem here and after that give a screenshot of that problem and after that submit to the TikTok team. They will try to fix your problem in 24 hours. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.